In this particular problem, a particle is thrown up inside a liquid, inside a stationary lift of sufficient height. The time of flight is said to be capital T. Now it is thrown again with same initial speed v naught with respect to lift. At the time of second throw, lift is moving up with speed v naught and uniform acceleration g upward. Now we need to find the new time of flight. So when the lift was stationary, the time of flight was capital T. So to reach at highest point, that is v is equal to 0, it takes half of the time of flight. So for stationary lift we can write 0 is equal to v naught minus g into t by 2, or time of flight t is equal to 2 v naught by g. This is our first equation when lift was stationary. Now the particle was thrown with respect to lift with a speed v naught, and lift is moving upward with acceleration g. So for particle, relative acceleration is minus of 2g. Here again at highest point with respect to lift, the velocity is 0, and if new time of flight is taken to be t dash, so it is equal to t dash by 2. So in the second situation we have 0 is equal to v naught minus 2g into t dash by 2, or here from we have t dash is equal to v naught by g, and v naught by g can be written as half into 2 v naught by g, which can be written from equation 1 as t by 2. So the new time of flight t dash is half of the initial time of flight, and the correct option is B.